Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment. Experiment number 44. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit liniment, that is ammonium soap type 10 ml. Proposition 1 is: unlike fixed oils, the liquid paraffin and turpentine oil do not contain any free fatty acid, hence they cannot be emulsified by means of alkaline substances unless a free fatty acid is added. Learning objectives are: to understand the preparation of soap emulsion, in which the soap is formed by the interaction of free fatty acid with some alkaline liquid, and ability to prepare the soap emulsion carefully to get a stable product. Apparatus required are: measuring cylinder, pipettes, bottle, beaker. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. Formula prescription, this is denoted by the symbol Rx. Oleic acid 1 ml, dilute solution of ammonia 5 ml, turpentine oil 25 ml, and purified water to prepare up to 100 ml. Formula table: type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Here is we have directly quantities given in the metric system. Quantity taken in the metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So first of all, oleic acid used as a pharmaceutical solvent. Quantity given in the metric system is 1 ml. Quantity required to prepare 10 ml, that is 0.1 ml. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Dilute solution of ammonia used as an alkalizing agent. Quantity given in the metric system is 5 ml and quantity taken should be 0.5 ml. Turpentine oil used as a rubefacient absorption enhancer. Quantity given in the metric system is 25 ml and quantity taken should be 2.5 ml. Purified water used as a vehicle. Quantity given in the metric system is 100 ml and taken quantity to prepare up to 10 ml, that is quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction: to be used as directed by physician. So now we will proceed for actual performing of experiment in laboratory. For that we have this olive oil which is previously weighed. This is the dilute solution of ammonia which is taken into this beaker. Then turpentine oil which is also taken into this beaker, and this is the purified water. So now we will proceed for actual procedure. Now I am going to add this olive oil and this turpentine oil into this bottle which is having larger size than 50% of its particular volume. So after proper mixing of it, now we will proceed for next part, that is, in second case, this is the previously hot water, purified water. In this previously hot water or warm water, I am going to add this dilute ammonia solution. Then after proper mixing of it, now we will proceed for next part. So after proper mixing that dilute ammonia solution which is added into this warm water, I am going to add this part to this previously prepared oily solution which is prepared in this bottle. After that again we will shake it properly and then so after vigorously shaking, I poured that solution into this measuring cylinder and make up the volume with the help of purified water. Now I am going to transfer it into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation Liniment 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register. Dispatched by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage condition, store in a cool place. Shake well before use. One more direction for liniment is apply with friction on unbroken skin. Manufactured by LMN Pharmacy Nasik. Result: the 10 ml of this liniment is submitted in this amber colored glass bottle for inspection with special instruction label as shake well before use. Thank you.